What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and today we actually have Scout here also. Yep, that's right. But we're dealing with the Krypton Camaro today. Let me get around it here. We haven't did anything with this car in quite a while, so it's time to do something with it. It's just been sitting here, so we're actually going to trade this car today. Stay tuned. This car has been sitting for quite a while. It's probably been 3 weeks since I've even started this, so let's go ahead and get a real true cold start. It's pretty cool out today anyway. Been sitting here, especially this year. We just had not did much at all to it. If you don't know this car, the 2017 Camaro 2SS, it is Krypton green, as you can tell. It's a 2SS. It's leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's got pretty much all the options, even has a sunroof, which I would rather it not, but it does. It does have, let's pop the hood here real quick. Pull it outside here, get a little better look at it. Hood latches here somewhere. There we go. So this does have the Texas speed treatment to it. It's got their CNC ported heads, their long tube headers, see down in there, their VVT3 cam, rotofab intake, and their long tube headers and their catted X pipe. So it did do well. Of course, it's an LT1. 6.2 liter, and it did 600, or yeah, 600. I wish it did 600. It did 535 wheel horsepower. And as you can tell, it sounds really good. I did the work, and RPM did the tune on it. But it's just been sitting here, so we might as well trade it. What do you think we're going to trade it for? Man, it is a beautiful car. That color, I think, is the absolute best on these 6th gen Camaros. It's really going to be sad it's not going to be here, but onward and upward. It's a little dirty too. I should wash it quick. All right, guys, we threw the Camaro up on the lift real quick. Just give it a quick once over. There you can see the difference in the colors between the Camaro and the truck. Truck's definitely brighter. They're similar color family, but truck's definitely brighter. Anyway, we were getting every once in a while a slight low tire. I figured we might as well throw it up on the lift before we ship it out and give it a once over, and we found what was happening here. We did pick up a screw somewhere, so we'll get a plug in that and get that taken care of. Rest of it looks good under here. Like I said, it does have the Texas speed long tube headers, and technically catted, but that's the cat. You can see how small they are. So, and we got mixed reviews when I did this, but we did take the flat spots out of the exhaust back here. It does have the stock MPP exhaust, so it's got the valves in there. And these are weep holes, so it always kind of looks ugly there. We'll get this thing cleaned up here in a minute as soon as we get that tire taken care of. And we're actually going to be delivering this car to its new home and picking something else up while we're there. And we just cannot drop this thing off at its new home being this dirty. It probably doesn't look that dirty to you, but if I get right down here, you can see it's just, I'm not going to touch it because we don't want to scratch it, but we'll get some water on this thing, give it a bath. All right, guys, it's a little windy today, but This is one of those colors that always looks good until you actually wash it and clean it up, and it looks absolutely killer. Let's go on the other side with the sun. But this is just a gorgeous color. Tinted windows, the black wheels, all go good. The cammed motor, really gonna miss it. All right guys, I got this head whatever you want to call it, point of view strap. So we're gonna go ahead and use it. First time I've actually ever used it to film, so we'll see how it goes. All right, let's give this a shot. Jumping inside here. Make sure it's in neutral. Were you filming? Yes. We are up and rolling. Yep. All right, guys. We're just gonna drive for a little bit, see how it goes. We are in track mode now, so we'll have the valves open. We can let some more light in here. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. I'll stop you until I get out on the street. And away we go. Does have the active rev match, which I always have on because it's just awesome. Do have the sunroof open and the window down so you can get some, let's put the other window down too. You'll get some good sounds. You don't want to be noticed. You don't want to be in this car, especially with the valves open. scared those guys on the bike. Guys, we're coming up on the final bits of the last drive in the Krypton Camaro. All right, we're here at the new home for the Krypton Camaro, and again, it's looking killer. Definitely a sad day. Let's walk inside the garage here real quick. And